What's going on, guys? This is an absolute amazing experience that I'm potentially bringing you all along with me for. I really don't know if I want to post this online or if this is just going to be a keepsake for us to have in the future, but either way, I am filming it, so whatever we decide to do, we will be able to do it. So today, well, tomorrow, I'm going to be proposing to genuinely the love of my life. Lauren she's just the most amazing person I really have ever met, and just from the moment I met her, like day one, it was just, I genuinely knew. I didn't really know anything about her. I just looked her in the eyes and I was like, she's the one. Like, it's one of those things when you know, and this was really, it was truly an eye-opening experience of what this is what it's like. So ever since then, we've had an amazing relationship, and we obviously have had to talk about us spending the rest of our lives together and stuff, but she does not know that it's happening literally tomorrow. So about a month ago, me and her mom were able to sneak away. We were able to go down to Diamonds Direct, pick out the perfect ring. She's going to absolutely lose her mind. It's exactly what she wanted. Well, it literally showed up yesterday, so thank goodness it showed up in time, but we're going to be going to pick it up today. Tomorrow morning, we're just going to spend the day where I think we're going to go to the park. We're just going to have whatever. I think we're going to go get a snow cone. The Snow Shack snow cone place is the place that we met, and that's definitely a deep part of our relationship. That memory of us meeting, and that place will always be very cherished to me and her. I'm really not going to worry about filming. The main thing is to get this done perfectly and it just be an awesome experience. She has no idea, as far as I know, that tomorrow is the day, and so guys, I'm freaking excited. I'm nervous. I'm really hoping I or anyone else doesn't spill the tea. The next step is to go pick up the ring, and that's exactly what we're going to do. So I don't think I can film any of that because I don't think they allow you to do that in jewelry stores. But anyways, I'm going to go do that, and then I'll catch up with y'all, maybe show y'all a little bit of it, and then we'll catch up with y'all tomorrow, and it's going to be a big day. Alright guys, well, I just got back. Package has been received, so this thing is freaking gorgeous. I'm not going to let y'all see it up close and personal until she's got it on her finger, but I'll give y'all a little glimmer of it in all of its glory. This thing is freaking gorgeous. Wish me luck, guys. I got 24 hours left. Got to keep it a secret, so wish me luck. I'll see y'all then. Alright guys, well, we are about to go do possibly something wild. We might be going up on top of the mountain, and maybe, yeah, I haven't told her any of this yet.
Surprise!
Yeah.
It's a surprise date.
Yeah, she might be doing a burnout in the truck. What do you think about that? Are you down?
I guess.
I told her, you know, if it blows up, break it, you buy it.
That's your fault. Because you asked me.
I guess that's true. Alright guys, well, we're gonna head over there. It's actually a little bit of a drive. Surprising.
Woohoo!
So, a little bit of a drive to get up to where I want to go. It's a cool spot, and we probably won't get in trouble there. So that's key. That's key. You don't want to go to jail, do you?
No, I do not.
Alright, great. So, anyways, well, we're gonna do that on our dating anniversary today. So, that's gonna be a good, fun time that we're gonna make a YouTube video about it. So
this is a first. I'm very proud of you.
A first of what?
It's so different.
What do you mean?
You've never been one of these on a date.
Oh well, it's just a combo wombo.
A 2-in-1.
Yep, we're getting both things done at the same time.
Just in a dress doing burnouts. It's fine.
Hey, that's pretty spicy. I'm not gonna lie. Anyways, we're gonna go do that. We'll catch up with y'all when we get there, and we'll see if she can do it. No, people are here all the time. What you think? What you think?
Petrified.
It's awesome. Check out the view. You ready to do a burnout?
No, please don't make me do it.
She's ready. She's ready. Don't let her fool you. Because this is about you.
No, it's not about me. Don't make me do it. Shut up. What is that? Are you serious?
I'm serious. Lauren, will you marry me?
Yes.
think?
Oh my god. It's beautiful. Oh, sweet Jesus. Oh my gosh. It's so...
Yours to forever. Did you have any idea?
No, I
no
didn't.
idea. Okay, good. Because I literally talked to your parents earlier today, and I was like, either she has zero clue, or she is playing us off. I said either way is fine, but I'm glad you didn't have a clue.
No idea.